Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add bank account in Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page you need to tap on this More tab and then you will be redirected on this Services page. Now in the Services page, you just have to scroll down and then you will have to tap on the option of P2P trading. Once done, you will be landed on this P2P trading page where in the top you are going to see these three dots. So you need to tap on these three dots and after that you need to tap on User Center. Here you will be able to see the option of payment method. So you need to tap on payment method and then click on ADD. Now once done, you will be landed on this Add New Payment Method page where you just have to select your bank account. For that you will have to tap on this drop arrow button and after that you just have to select your bank account. You can also select the bank transfer option and after that you just have to enter your name, then your bank account, then your bank branch and your bank's name. Afterwards, you need to press the confirm button in the bottom and this way you will be able to easily add a bank account in Bybit. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.